How to install a swing clock with a music box. Step 1. Install the movement inside the swinging device. Step 2. Place the rubber pad on it, fixed on the shelf of the product. Put the washer on and secure the nut. Tighten it with your hand and turn it half a circle with the pliers. Step 3. The horn cable terminal is connected to the music box port. Step 4. The dot line of the quartz clock movement is connected to the line of the music box. Test whether the dot is normal. Let's see if the music box works. Test the position of the hour point of the clock again. Turn the timing knob on the back of the movement clockwise until the horn sounds, and the horn sounds on the hour. Step 5. Align the minute hand with 12 o'clock and install it in parallel. Turn the timing knob clockwise for 1 hour. Test whether the minute hand is installed accurately. The minute hand was set to 12 o'clock and the horn sounded. The pointer is correctly installed. For example, the minute hand is offset. Need to pull out the minute hand and align it again at 12 o'clock for installation. Step 6. The minute hand has been installed correctly. Start to install the second hand. Step 7. The movement is installed with a 1.5-volt AA battery. Step 8. Install a 1.5-volt AA battery on the rocker. The second hand starts to move. Change the time to the current time. Say it's 1 o'clock sharp. But the music rings 10 times. The music is at 10 o'clock, so it needs to be adjusted to the position of 1 o'clock. Press the grip button on the music box. Press once to increase the pressure, so you need to press 3 times. When the time comes to 2 o'clock sharp, the music will ring normally twice. Finally, hang the pendulum, and the installation is complete.